What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Happy open season. We're going on a nature walk today. I got the loop rod. Nice look of water behind me. I said we're going on a nature walk. We're going down there. Stay tuned. We've been getting a lot of rain. This is abnormally high. So this is only like the second time I've ever been here, so I'm gonna blast a chartreuse woolly bugger around here and just see what happens. That is one of the craziest piles of foam I've ever seen. That looks like it should be alive or something, like some kind of foam turtle or something. Alright, I was feeling confident in this bugger. However, we've gotten a lot of rain in the last few days. And as you can see, this water is moving. So that being said, I'm going to try a few casts with it here. And if it's not acting the way I like, I'm going to switch to a beadhead bugger. I don't have one this bright though. So that might not be what we need anyway, so you never know. Alright, we're back. I got a little black and olive bugger with a beadhead and a little flash. And I'm ready to just move along. We're just going to keep working this river all the way up to a bridge where I actually made one of my first videos. See what we can do. Fish on, baby! That's the first bite of 2022, and I needed that. Wow. Oh. Oh. Well, easy come, easy go. See if I can do that again. I was just about to walk downstream towards them. Fish on. Oh, another one. Fish on. Got some size to it too. It's like a bow. Come on over here, guy. I think he's wrapped. There we go. That's a pretty good sized fish. Just don't wrap me around the log. Oh yeah. That's a fat hen. Oh yeah. Not too bad. She's been eating. Oh, first fish landed 2022. Let's go. Now go get your great grandpa. Thank you, girl. Oh no, that's not a good time. Well, I was trying to talk to you guys on the selfie cam. However, I'm having a little bit of technical difficulties. I'm adventuring downstream from where we were, looking for a bank spot. I have not walked up here since I was a little boy, and I don't know if there's even anywhere I'll be able to fish. It's been an interesting day so far, so we might end up calling it if there's nowhere to fish. We did get our first trout in the net for 2022. Nice little fat rainbow from the hatchery. Looks like I might be able to try here. I found a gentleman's iPhone. He had left it by the river here. I picked it up and tried to get a hold of him, and he managed to come back and get it. He avoided his phone being kind of rained out here. We had a pretty good, I don't know if you can see it on the ground here. It hailed pretty good here for about 5 minutes. And his phone definitely would have been soaked. So he was lucky to avoid some there. Look at this water down here. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to call it there. It's raining a little too hard for me to keep going. However, I did find a few nice pools downstream that I have never seen before. And I guarantee you they hold fish. So once this drops a little bit, once it's done raining so much, I'm definitely gonna be haunting some of these pools a little more often. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you enjoyed what you see here, consider subscribing. And as always, this is First Cast Media, hoping to catch you in the next one. You know there's some trout hanging around there.